Are you familiar with the FAB concept in sales? If not, you're in the right place. I am so excited to share this concept and how you can begin to weave this into your business. So FAB is an acronym that stands for features, advantages, and benefits. And it's a great way to showcase what it is that you have to offer for your audience to know why it matters for them and for you to begin to make sales in a seamless fashion. So whether you're making an Instagram or Facebook or social media post or jumping on a discovery call or building out your sales page, you can weave the concept of FAB into all of that. So let's break it down. The first letter is features. When you're thinking about your program, your product, or your offer, what are the features of this offer? So for example, I have a certification program called the Elevate Method. And the features of the Elevate Method certification program is that they get a monthly Q&A call. They get a monthly, co-working session with one another, as well as they get modality practice calls where they can practice the coaching tools and strategies. And as if that's not already enough, another amazing feature is they get an online accountability and support group. What are some of the features of your offer? The next letter is advantages. So for advantages, you want to start to think of your offer and what are the competitive advantages of your offer? Why does it stand out from anyone else who may be offering something similar? So for me, there's a million online coaching certification programs, but mine stands out because it's 7 different certifications all in one program. And in addition, we build on a 3-pillar system: the coaching, the community, and the certification. So you're not just getting your certification and being sent on your way to figure it out. You're getting coaching around how to actually utilize these modalities and these tools, how to actually really build rapport and relate with your client, and how to build a toolbox to be able to pull from which you can support your client on a deeper level. You're also getting an expansive and supportive community of like-minded people that support you at seeing your vision through. So this is a pure example of advantages of joining the Elevate Method certification program. So when I'm talking about it, I'm sure to highlight these advantages. What are some of the advantages as you think of your offer? Finally, we have benefits. So a lot of times people get confused between advantages and benefits, but let me break down benefits. Benefits are what are people going to walk away with when they're done with your program? What is the benefit of them actually saying yes to this joining of your program or yes to this next step? And so, for example, with the Elevate Method certification program, a benefit is that you begin to feel more confident as a coach. You actually feel like you know how to support clients on a deeper level. You actually have a toolbox to pull from in which you can support your clients. So there's many benefits of people saying yes to that next step. When you think of your program, what are people going to walk away with? What is the benefit of them joining this program? What will they get when they say yes to that next, decision to join you inside this program? Really highlighting these benefits is crucial, but first you got to identify them. So what are they? So as you can see, FAB is a really simple concept, but you just have to learn how to leverage it. So if you're on a discovery call and people are starting to maybe object to saying yes, you could speak to these different components or these different pieces to help validate what they're feeling, but also to help them see what they're going to get. Maybe you're writing a sales page. You're going to definitely want to make sure that you're addressing all of the features, all of the advantages, and all of the benefits so people can get a comprehensive view of what they're getting by joining your offer or your program. Maybe you're making a post on social media and you don't want it to be super lengthy, right? Because we know we all have a short attention spans. So maybe you decide that one day you're going to talk all about the features. And in your next post, you'll talk all about the advantages. And then the next day, you'll talk all about the benefits. But nonetheless, you're still giving people that comprehensive view of what's all included inside of your program. This is also a great tool to use to help you address maybe past posts or past conversations or past sales pages that you've had, and you can see maybe there's something missing. Maybe you really focused on the features, but you didn't focus on the advantages and the benefits. Or maybe you focused on the advantages and the features, but you forgot about the benefits, right? Really using this tool and leveraging it is going to help you to be able to effectively magnetize your dream and ideal clients right to you, because you'll make it a no-brainer for them to say yes to this next step. So now that you're aware of the FAB concept, all you got to do is leverage it. You totally got this.